Welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions. My name is Breanna, and today we're going to be talking about why you can't get blonde hair with henna. So traditionally, to get blonde hair, you have to use bleach, and bleach is a chemical that lifts any color pigment from your hair shaft. After the bleach, there are dyes and toners involved to get different blonde shades of hair. Henna is made from a plant, and this plant is naturally red. This is how it's made in nature. Because it is this red-orange pigmented plant, it doesn't have bleaching capabilities, so it can't lighten your hair. If you have blonde hair, but you're interested in trying something different, you can absolutely dye over bleached blonde hair with henna. But we do not recommend going the reverse. So if you have henna in your hair, we don't recommend bleaching it to achieve a lighter color afterwards. Henna is permanent, and that's why we recommend starting with lighter colors for shorter durations of time so that you can make sure that you really like it because it is permanent. That's it for this frequently asked question. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.